Easy Japanese. Give it a try.
Hi there! It's time for NHK World Japan's Easy Japanese. I'm Eriko Kojima.
And I'm Michael Reese. Let's have fun learning Japanese together.
Today we bring you Lesson 13 on how to tell people what you want to do.
Tam, a student from Vietnam, is talking with the robot landlady Haru-san and Mia, a photographer from China. They are in the living room of Haru-san house, where they all live.
Let's listen to the skit for Lesson 13.
日本には慣れましたか？
はい。
日本でどんなことがしたいですか？
雪が見たいです。北海道に行きたいです。
北海道、いいね。
あと、友達に会いたいです。
おや？
大丈夫？顔が赤いよ。
Okay, now let's go over the skit line by line.
Haru-san asks Tam,
日本には慣れましたか？
Have you gotten used to Japan?
Tam replies.
はい。
Yes.
Then Haru-san says,
日本でどんなことがしたいですか？
What do you want to do while you're in the country?
Tam says,
雪が見たいです。
Let's see. I want to see the snow.
北海道に行きたいです。
I want to go to Hokkaido.
Mia says,
北海道、いいね。
Hokkaido sounds good.
Tam continues.
あと、友達に会いたいです。
Also, I want to see my friend.
Haru-san's emotion sensor detects something, and her cheeks start glowing pink.
おや？
Uh-oh.
Mia also notices something different about Tam.
大丈夫？
Are you okay?
顔が赤いよ。
You're blushing.
I wonder what kind of friend it is.
We'll find out more in a while. Today's key phrase is, I want to see the snow.
雪が見たいです。
If you learn this pattern, you'll be able to say what you want to do. Here's the meaning. Yuki is snow. Mitai desu means I want to see. Today's point is saying what you want to do. Take the masu away from the masu form of a verb and add tai.
The MASU form of the verb to see, miru, is mimasu. So that would be mitai, right?
Exactly. And adding desu at the end makes it more polite. Two other lines in the skit had the same form. I want to go to Hokkaido. Hokkaido ni ikitai desu. And I want to see a friend. Tomodachi ni aitai desu. One more point involves the use of particles. The particle o expresses the object. It can change to ga sometimes if the verb following it is in the TAI-form.
So, I will see the snow, Yuki or mimasu, will change to I want to see the snow, Yuki ga mitai desu.
That's right.
Try repeating the phrases yourself.
見たいです。雪が見たいです。
How did you do?
Now, here's a conversation about wanting to do something in Japan.
日本で何がしたいですか？
ラーメンが食べたいです。
Did you catch the meaning?
日本で何がしたいですか？
What do you want to do in Japan?
日本で means in Japan. When you want to ask what someone wants to do, use the interrogative nani, which means what. Instead of nani, you can also use どんなこと, what kind of thing, just as Haru-san did in the skit. Shitai is the TAI form of shimasu, meaning to do.
ラーメンが食べたいです。
I want to eat ramen.
食べたい is the TAI form of 食べます, meaning to eat.
Okay, now repeat the answer that follows the question.
日本で何がしたいですか？ラーメンが食べたいです。ラーメンが食べたいです。
Now try saying other things you want to do. What if you want to go to Kinkakuji, a temple in Kyoto? The pronunciation is
金閣寺、金閣寺、
I will go is
行きます、行きます。
and I'm going to Kinkakuji is 金閣寺に行きます. Please give it a try.
金閣寺に行きたいです。金閣寺に行きたいです。
And what if you want to buy a yukata, a casual summer kimono, as a souvenir? Yukata is
浴衣、浴衣、
I will buy is
買います、買います。
give it a try.
浴衣が買いたいです。
Now you're able to say what you want to do, right?
Today's bonus phrase is this line by Mia when she saw Tam blushing. Try to remember this word.
大丈夫？
大丈夫 means, are you okay? It's used to express concern about the person you're talking to. If you want to say it more politely, it would be 大丈夫ですか?
Listen to how various people say this.
大丈夫？
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 Listen and repeat.
大丈夫？
Then listen to today's skit once again.
日本には慣れましたか？
はい。
日本でどんなことがしたいですか？
雪が見たいです。北海道に行きたいです。
北海道、いいね。
あと、友達に会いたいです。
おや？
大丈夫？顔が赤いよ。
はるさんの知恵袋。
Up next, Haru-san's bag full of advice. Today's skit took place in the living room of the Haru-san house, so we'll try to give you some idea about the lifestyle in Japanese homes. So, Eriko, can you describe the inside of a typical Japanese house for us?
Sure. The room layouts vary from house to house, but there are two styles of rooms, Japanese and Western. Western-style rooms have wooden or carpeted floors, and people often use tables and chairs in them. In Japanese-style rooms, the flooring is tatami mats made of woven rush straw, and people sit around low tables using floor cushions called zabuto.
In a Japanese-style room, you sleep on a futon mattress laid directly on the tatami, right?
Yes. But nowadays, though, Western-style rooms have become more common as lifestyles have changed. Many houses blend the two styles with at least one tatami room.
Living with tatami must feel pretty good.
It sure does. But please remember to take off your shoes as you enter a house. You also take off slippers when entering a Japanese-style room. In that way, you can relax with the aroma of the tatami rush straw. Did you enjoy today's Easy Japanese?
Tune in next time.